Hey guys, sorry about the furnace noise. How rude of me. I just wanted to make a quick test video with my new phone, and I'm just sitting here at the bench. Whoops, I thought, yeah, I'm just sitting here at the bench. I thought you saw something you shouldn't have, but it's just hydraulic parts. And I'm listening to my ham radio because I'm not allowed to transmit, and I got something to show you, man. Hang on. Damn, getting dark out, man. It's only 4:30. Oh, baby boy came out to help me film a movie. Now, see, guys, I've been crying about not being able to use my beautiful John Deere, whom I've named Jed. I don't, Wow. My phone had an alert for me and it stopped my video. I want to show you something. Blitzy wants to show you something. Seems like only yesterday. That I made my raised garden beds. Now you can't even see them. Oh man, it's beautiful. Okay, let's turn off the light for effect. Well, that light stayed off for about 3 seconds. Look! Oh, look! That's where Kyle's car was. Thank you, Jesus. Now, I don't have that much to plow. We're going to go for a field trip, boys. I've got my shoes on, and I've got a shirt on for a change. Now, see, my driveway's only about 80, 90 feet long. He had the rollies out here in the snow today, man. On his back, all 4 legs straight up in the air. Writhing this way and that. Undulating like a snake. He's crazy. My driveway's only about 80 feet long. 90 feet maybe. But the end of the street's all the way down there, man. And, yeah, I'm interested to see if this phone makes that swimming motion. If it does, it's me. But I come over here and we plow my neighbor's driveway too. Now her driveway's not paved, and it's new to me plowing a dirt driveway, gravel driveway. What's going on, Blitzy? Ooh, this phone zooms weird. Yeah. Zoom out. Yeah. Whoa. We're way out. There we go. Sorry about that, guys. I gotta get used to using this new phone. Come on, Blitzy. Let's race. Come on, Blitzy. Oh, that's new. Usually he races, he beats me. Come on, Blitzy. Come on, Blitzen. 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 Oh, why does he hate the UPS truck when his brother works for UPS? Why does he want to destroy men in pickup trucks when his daddy is one? Oh, the snow's beautiful, man. The snow's... Come on, Blitzy. Come on. You want to watch this? Listen. He crouched down. Come on, Blitzy. No. He won't play fight. He sees something down the street he likes. Come on, Blitzy. We got a message for the boys. My friend Alize would like to sing to you and escort you guys off of the town dump. Thanks for watching. 73.
Tropical, the island breeze, all of nature wild and free. This is where I love to be. La isla